Hello, my name is Christoph. I'm global artist for KMS and I'm gonna show you today my hero product from KMS. It is the Conscious Style Beach Style Cream limited edition. I just love the story behind it and I love that it's a curl cream with a matte finish. So I'm gonna show you how I apply it. I just use a tiny bit of the Beach Style Cream. You don't need much. And I just nicely put it in my hands, heat it up a little with my hands, and then just crunch it slowly into my hair. And you can see already how the curls are building up. I just really like this airy kind of feeling. It doesn't really feel that you have a lot of product in. I'm also a fan of that. I like clean hair. And if you want to have this extra bounce, you can just go a little bit in with the diffuser, the lowest setting, the lowest heat. That's my beach style look. I'm in love. Also use it on short hair. It's a really nice textured kind of paste, also for short hair. It's amazing product for all the hair types. I'm in love. I hope you like it too. Bye bye.